Do you panic when someone asks, "So, what do you think of the weather?" Not because you don't know the words, but because you don't know how to keep the conversation going. You answer, "It's nice." And then silence. Awkward silence. You are not alone. Most English learners fear small talk more than big presentations. But here is the truth. Small talk is not about deep ideas. It is about small connections. And today, you will learn 40 shadowing responses that work for elevators, for coffee breaks, for awkward family dinners. We will practice in 3 levels.
Level 1. Starting small talk. Simple sentences to break the ice. Level 2. Keeping small talk alive. Natural questions and follow-ups. Level 3. Ending small talk smoothly. Polite ways to say goodbye. You will hear each sentence 3 times. Then you will repeat it 3 times. No translating, no overthinking. Just shadow me. Let your mouth learn the art of small talk. Let us begin.
Level 1. Starting small talk. Simple sentences to break the ice. Sentence 1. Beautiful day, isn't it? Sentence 1 again. Beautiful day, isn't it? Sentence 2. This coffee is amazing. Sentence 2 again. This coffee is amazing. Sentence 3. Have you been here before? Sentence 3 again. Have you been here before? Sentence 4. That is a nice bag. Where did you get it? Sentence 4 again. That is a nice bag. Where did you get it?
Sentence 5. Busy day, huh? Sentence 5 again. Busy day, huh? Sentence 6. I love your energy. You seem so positive. Sentence 6 again. I love your energy. You seem so positive. Sentence 7. Do you know if the Wi-Fi works here? Sentence 7 again. Do you know if the Wi-Fi works here? Sentence 8. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Sentence 8 again. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Sentence 9. I like your accent. Where are you from? Sentence 9. I like your accent. Where are you from? Sentence 10. This is a great event. Are you enjoying it? Sentence 10 again. This is a great event. Are you enjoying it? Sentence 11. You look familiar. Have we met before? Sentence 11 again. You look familiar. Have we met before? Sentence 12. What do you think of this music? Sentence 12 again. What do you think of this music? Sentence 13. I am new here. Any recommendations? Sentence 13 again. I am new here. Any recommendations? Sentence 14. Long time no see. How have you been? Sentence 15 again. Long time no see. How have you been? Sentence 15. So, what brings you here today? Sentence 15 again. So, what brings you here today? Level 1 complete. Now, you can start a conversation with almost anyone. But starting is only half the battle. Real small talk needs follow-ups. Level 2 will teach you how to keep the conversation flowing. Level 2. Keeping small talk alive. Natural follow-ups and reactions. Sentence 16. Really? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. Sentence 16 again. Really? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. Sentence 17. Oh, I know exactly what you mean. Sentence 17 again. Oh, I know exactly what you mean. Sentence 18. No way, that is crazy. Sentence 18 again. No way, that is crazy. Same here. I feel the same way. Sentence 19 again. Same here. I feel the same way. Sentence 20. That happened to me once too. Sentence 20 again. That happened to me once too. Sentence 21. Wow, that is a great story. Sentence 21 again. Wow, that is a great story. Sentence 22. So how did that end up working out? Sentence 22 again. So how did that end up working out?
Sentence 23. I never thought of it that way. Sentence 24 again. I never thought of it that way. Sentence 24. That is a good point. Sentence 24 again. That is a good point. Sentence 25. You are kidding. I cannot believe it. Sentence 25 again. You are kidding. I cannot believe it. Sentence 26. What do you usually do on weekends? Sentence 26 again. What do you usually do on weekends?
Now, you can keep a conversation going naturally. But every conversation needs a graceful exit. You cannot talk forever. Level 3 will teach you how to end small talk politely and warmly. Level 3. Ending small talk smoothly. Polite ways to say goodbye. Sentence 31. It was so nice talking to you. Sentence 31 again. It was so nice talking to you. Sentence 32. I should get going. Have a great day. Sentence 32 again. I should get going. Have a great day. Sentence 33. Let us do this again sometime. Sentence 33 again. Let us do this again sometime. Sentence 34. I hate to run, but I have another appointment. Sentence 34 again. I hate to run, but I have another appointment. Sentence 35. Well, I will let you get back to your day. Sentence 35 again. Well, I will let you get back to your day. Sentence 36. Thanks for the chat. It made my day better. Sentence 36 again. Thanks for the chat. It made my day better. Sentence 37. I hope we run into each other again. Sentence 37 again. I hope we run into each other again. Power sentence of this lesson. Repeat after me. Small talk is not small. It is the first step to every big friendship, and that is enough. One more time. Small talk is not small. It is the first step to every big friendship, and that is enough.
Now it is your turn to speak alone. Say each sentence out loud 2 times. Sentence 1. Beautiful day, isn't it? Sentence 2. Really? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. Sentence 3. Same here. I feel the same way. Sentence 4. It was so nice talking to you. Sentence 5. Small talk is not small. It is the first step to every big friendship. Fantastic! You can now handle any small talk situation. Mission 2. Practice all 40 sentences out loud before you sleep. Mission 3. Come back for the next lesson. One more thing. Write in the comments, which small talk opener will you use tomorrow? If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Share this with someone who hides from small talk. Remember, small talk is not small. It is your superpower. Keep speaking, keep growing. You have got this. End of lesson.